Bitcoin price is confusing people, and I can kind of see why, because everyone was focused on this like 44, 45 area where we had these two big tops, kind of prior bottom here. And when we broke out, I guess the party was on and everyone was expecting us to push up, towards 51, maybe even that 53 level. And then all we got was this breakdown here and kind of just grinding sideways lower a little bit. Um, Sort of looks like we failed, and price is just going to go back down to 37, maybe even back to this 35 area, which could happen. But we do have a bunch of noise all around these prices. So you can see we had this little top here, we had the top there. You can see it was a bottom here. So ironically, like this 42 area could come into play, which would, I guess, surprise most because everyone's really kind of looking at 44, 45. Hopefully that plays out because I know most people don't want to ride Bitcoin all the way back down to 37 and possibly 35. We'll see what happens. I'm not saying this is a confirmed support or anything like that. I'm just saying there is price action here multiple times where we've seen price reverse. So could happen. That would be the ideal situation. See it rally back up to 45 and try and attack, this high it just put in. But otherwise, we'll see. I will say this though, if we look at the monthly chart, what is good is that's all just noise because you look at the monthly and what's happened is, we had this top, we pulled back and rallied all-time highs, pulled back, and we put in a higher low. So this low is higher than the last low. So even though this monthly candle of April is red right now, not really worried about it. If we get back down here to like 35, then it's like, all right, this, higher low, which technically is a step in towards, in terms of bullish price action, really wouldn't play out. So we'll see what happens over the coming months. But as far as the monthly goes, really, I'm just seeing consolidation indecision after putting in a higher low compared to the low back in 2021.